Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, do the Padagon's mobile CPU and the GPU usage test in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So before starting this video, I just want to inform you that this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, ask me to demonstrate this kind of video. And before I did upload plenty of videos concentrating only on the FPS meter. So I did not focus on the GPU and the CPU utilization, but it also matters a lot in terms of the generating heat and losing a lot of battery. So if the percentage is more, definitely that means the temperatures will be really high. That is what I'm going to exactly concentrate in this video. How well the Oneplus Nord 2 is able to handle the CPU and the GPU usage. So I did upload the same kind of video on the Realme X1 Max and other smartphones, as you can see exactly. You can watch those videos in case if you're interested. So I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison as well, but OnePlus Nord 2 users, they want to know about the usage in this OnePlus Nord 2 while using Team Deathmatch and while playing the normal classic match as well. There are two different scenarios. You should definitely understand that. So right now I'm trying to use only the smooth and extreme settings. That is what a lot of users will be playing at this moment. Let me exactly show you the classic match. So how much the classic match is utilizing. So at this stage, without touching anything, and in the ideal stage, you can see the CPU and the GPU usage, how much it is. 52%, and it's kind of more than 50% every time. 50 around the 50, as you can see, 40 and 50, somewhere around that. And the GPU and the CPU both are same range, 40% above only. As you can see how they are behaving, above 40%. You can clearly see that without touching anything. Let's start the classic match in the Sonank bootcamp. Let's see what will happen with this kind of map. So how much the CPU and the GPU will be increased. So, and this is without using any kind of pro gamer mode, without using any kind of high performance mode, because that also matters a lot. So there's different customization, friends. It's very hard to do in one single video. So the video will be really very lengthy one. That is the reason I'll have to make another video as well, using the high performance mode and using the pro gamer mode, testing the CPU and the GPU utilization. So now in this test, let's please focus only on the CPU and the GPU usage. So this is a Dimensity 1200 chipset. If possible, I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with other Dimensity processor, which is a POCO X8 GT and even the Realme X1 Max as well. I can do that comparison as soon as possible. But right now you can see it's always above 40%, but right now it's kind of getting close to 50%, 77% as well, the CPU. You can see, let's do the drop test and let's see what will happen, how much percentage is gonna increase. Right now, as you can see, the percentage is above 40% only, always it's staying. Let's do the drop test exactly in the bootcamp. Let's see what happens to the CPU and the GPU performance. It's kind of above 40. It's GPU 50%, 86% is the CPU, as you can see. Our usage, how much it increased, 75% as well. It's gonna increase a lot. As you can see the performance, how it's increasing. And the FPS, it was maintaining above 56, 55, not an issue. So it should not be that much kind of big issue, I would say, at this moment. But try to observe the CPU and the GPU utilization. 50% and 45%. So I need to do one more testing, playing after a long time, because after a long time also matters a lot. This just a short video which I'm trying to do, but maybe after playing 2 hours and after playing 3 hours, that CPU percentage also matters a lot. After playing 1 hour, what will happen with the CPU percentage? So right now you will be able to see about close to, I think, 49, 25, not a problem. As you can see, friends, 50% of the GPU utilization is 50% exactly, and CPU is 30%. No issues. Let's try with the normal Team Deathmatch. What will happen with the Team Deathmatch? How much the CPU and the GPU will be utilized? Will it decrease or not? But till now, we did not see any kind of improvement. I mean, in terms of the decrease. So if you try to compare with other phones, you will definitely able to understand. But this is the statistics. It was kind of good. So anything below 50% is not an issue. So it's the processor will be able to handle easily. So it's not taking that much kind of stress playing this kind of Team Deathmatch at this moment. 47% CPU GPU utilization, 47, 43%. Just now the frame rate dropped to 45 FPS as well. Because depending on the FPS, this percentage as well, even the matters, the frame drops will be mattering a lot. As you can see, 42% and 24%, not a problem. It's not utilizing much. %42 and 29% that utilization you can see clearly. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you're interested in any other videos, let me know in the comment section below. This is a small video which a lot of just showing you what is the average CPU and the GPU utilization while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Oneplus Nord device. So see you in the next video, friends. Until next video for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.